To begin, start a free trial to create an account or log in if you have one. Enter a few basic information. Check the confirmation email to verify your account. Jobs is the first thing your website will show. Engage with your client right away after they call you. Enter their number and send. Your client will receive an SMS link to your form to enter their information and their job for you. View the details you receive from clients by clicking any job form row. Claim job, update job status, view job images, or leave internal notes. Forms is where you can control the information you ask from clients. Users are employees from your company. Add them and edit permissions here. Clients is where you can view or edit their details. Settings is where you control your personal profile or control system notifications under General Settings. Company is where the system keeps your business records and invoices for our service. Give it a try and let's work together. Start with a free account now.